Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on Apple Watch. You should know that the Apple Watch is not designed to run full games like Brawl Stars directly, so we need a clever workaround. You will need a reliable screen mirroring application, and it is crucial that both your iPhone and your watch are fully updated and paired correctly. This preparation ensures a smoother experience for the steps ahead. To begin, find a good screen mirroring application on the App Store that specifically supports both your iPhone and Apple Watch. Many users have found success with apps like Watch Mirror, though you might explore other highly rated alternatives. Once you have made your choice, download and install that application onto both of your devices. This dual installation is absolutely essential for the mirroring process to work. Now, open your chosen mirroring application on your iPhone and initiate its screen mirroring feature. Immediately after, launch Brawl Stars on your iPhone. It needs to be running in the foreground. Your Apple Watch should then begin to mirror your iPhone's display, showing the game live on its smaller screen. Remember, the watch acts as a secondary viewer, not a direct controller in this setup. While your Apple Watch provides a unique way to view Brawl Stars, all your actual game controls, such as movement and attacking, must still be performed on your iPhone. The watch serves simply as an additional screen, allowing you to glance at the action on your wrist. Keep in mind that continuous mirroring and gaming will consume a lot more battery power on both your iPhone and Apple Watch, so plan accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.